Today we are going to solve some questions from exercise 1.3. Okay. So sixth one, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Okay, what will be the temperature after 10 hours? Okay, now just write present room temperature is 40. 40 is the present room temperature. Then after every hour, after 1 hour when we see the temperature, it is decreased by 5 degrees Celsius, it is decreased. Okay. After 1 hour, 5 degrees Celsius is decreasing. Then you have to find the temperature after 10 hours. Okay, now it is 40. Present room temperature is 40. Then decreasing the temperature every year. Rate of decreasing the temperature every hour is 5 degrees Celsius. This is decreasing, therefore we can mention this by minus 5 degree because it is decreasing, we have negative integer, that is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then temperature after 1 hour is how much? Just find out the temperature after 1 hour. 1 hour 40 degrees are present, then 40 degree minus 1 hour, how much is decreasing? 5 degree is decreasing. Minus 1 hour, what is 1 into 5? That is equal to 40 minus 5 is equal to 35 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature after 1 hour. Okay. The temperature after 2 hours, maybe how much? 40 is the present, minus 2 into 5. 2 hours, in 1 hour 5 degree is decreasing, then the 2 hour, how much? If it is this 1 hour 5 degrees Celsius is decreasing, the next 1 hour also 5 degrees Celsius. So for 2 hour 10 will decreasing. That is 2 into 5 10. 40 minus 10, that is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours the room temperature will be 30 degree. Clear? Now it is 40, it is there. Then after 1 hour 5 is decreasing, that is 45. Then next 1 hour, that means after 2 hours 10 will decrease. 10 will decrease, that is, now starting 40 it is there, 10 is decreasing, then 30 will come. Okay, now we have to find the room temperature after 10 hours. Okay, temperature after 10 hours. After 10 hours means 40 minus 10 into 5. Okay, 40 minus 10 into 5, that is equal to 40 minus 50. 40 minus 50 is what? Minus 10 degree Celsius. 40 minus 50, smallest minus greater. So positive and negative we have to subtract and put a negative sign. Okay, 10 degrees Celsius. After 10 hours, the temperature of that room is minus 10 degree Celsius. Okay. One more, I will just repeat. Present room temperature is 40. Then decreasing is 5 degree. After every hour 5 degrees is decreasing. Okay, first 1 hour what? 40 minus 5 degrees decreasing. Therefore 40 minus 5 are 35. Then the next hour 40 minus 10 is decreasing. 40 minus 10 are 30 degree. Then we have to find for 10 hours, that is 40 minus 10 into 5, 40 minus 50, that is minus 10 degrees Celsius is the room temperature after 10 hours. Class test containing 10 questions. Total 10 questions are there in a class test. Okay. 5 marks awarded for every correct answer. For every correct answer, 5 marks is there. For one correct answer, 5 is there. Okay. Then, and also minus 2 for every wrong answer. For every wrong answer, minus 2 is the mark. Okay. Then 0 for not attempted. If anyone is not attempting one question, that mark is 0. Okay. Total 10 questions are there. 5 marks for correct answer, minus 2 for incorrect answer, and 0 for not attempted. Okay. Then Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. Then what is his score? We have to find the score. Okay. The marks awarded for every correct answer is 5. Okay. Marks awarded for every correct answer, that is 5 marks. Okay. Then how many correct answers are there? 4 correct answers there. For total score for this correct answer is how much? Score of correct answers. is equal to 5 for 1. Like 4 correct answers are there. That is 4 into 5. 20 marks. This is a mark for correct answers. Clear? Marks awarded for every correct answer is 5. And he has 4 correct answers. Therefore 4 into 5, 20 marks is the marks for correct answers. Then marks awarded for every wrong marks for wrong answers or incorrect answers is minus 2. Minus 2 the mark for incorrect answers or wrong answers. Like how many are there? 6 incorrect answers are there. Therefore score is equal to, for this incorrect answers, what is the score? Minus 2 is for 1. Like 6 are there. Minus 2 into 6 minus 12. This is the wrong answers. Then, and he attempted all the 10 questions. Therefore total score is this 20. You have to add this 20 and 12. Minus 12. Score. Okay. Total score. Score of correct answer plus score of wrong answer. Score of correct answer is 20 plus score of the wrong answer is minus 12. 20 plus minus 12. Different sign, subtract. 20 minus 12 is 8. Then put a greater one sign. Greater one is 20. That is positive. Therefore answer is 8. This is the total score of Mohan. Okay. Reshma gets 5 correct and 5 wrong answer. Okay. The score of correct answer is 5 are there. Then 1 is score of 1 is mark for 1 correct answer is 5. 5 correct answers are there. 5 into 5 25 is the score of correct answers. And the score of incorrect answers is, that is also 5 are there. And minus 2 for 1. Minus 2 into 5 that is equal to minus 10 is the score of incorrect answer. Then total score of Reshma. Total score is this one plus 5. Score of correct answer plus score of incorrect answer. That is 25 plus minus 10. Okay. Different sign, subtract. That is 25 minus 10 is 15. And greatest one is 25. That is positive, therefore answer is positive. 50 is the score of Reshma. Tina gets 2 correct answers and 5 wrong answers out of 7 questions. Total 10 questions are there. She only attended 7 questions. Okay. Total number of questions, that is 10 are there. Then how many she attempted? The number of questions she attempted is 7. Number of questions she attempted, that is 7. Therefore non-attempted questions. Non-attempted questions are, how many are there? Non-attempted questions 10 minus 3. Sorry, 10 minus 7, 3. 3 questions are not attempted. Okay. Then first we can write score of correct answer. That is, score of correct is 2 correct answers are there. 2 into 5, 10 is the score of correct answer. Score of incorrect answers. Score of incorrect answers. That is, incorrect, how many are there? 5 wrong answers are there. 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10 is the score of incorrect answers. Okay, minus 10. Then score of non-attempted questions. Non-attempted questions are there, that is 3 are there. Score of non-attempted questions, that is, how many are there? 3 are there and the score is 0. Therefore that score is 0. 0 is the score of non-attempted questions. Like 3 are there. 3 into 0, 0. Then total score is score. That is score of the correct one, that is 10, plus score of incorrect, that is minus 10, plus non-attempted is 0. 10 plus minus 10 is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. The score of Hina is 0. A cement company earns a profit of 8 per bag of white cement. Per bag means for 1 white cement, profit is 8 and Loss of 5 per bag of grey cement. Grey cement for 1 bag, its loss is there, that is 5 rupees. Then the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cements. Then what is its profit or loss? Just find out profit or a loss. Okay. Profit of 1 white cement bag is 8 rupees and the loss of 1 grey cement is 5. Okay. Like that, how many white cement bags? That is profit of 3,000 sold. And profit of 3,000 bags is how much? White cement. Okay. 3,000 white cement bags is how much is there? Profit of 1 is 8. Then profit of 3,000 is 3,000 into 8. That is 24,000. This is the profit of white cement bag. 3,000 white cement bag. Then profit of, profit not, that's the loss. Now loss of how many bag? 5,000 grey cement bag. That is equal to loss of 1 grey cement is 5. Like that 5,000 is sold. Therefore loss of 5,000 is 5,000 into 5. That is equal to 25,000. That is the loss of grey cement. Profit is 24,000 and the loss is 25,000. Which one is greater? Loss is the greatest one. Right. Profit is 24,000 and loss is 25,000. Profit is less than loss. Loss is the greatest one. Therefore, what we have to find? Loss minus profit. We have to find the loss. That is loss minus profit. Loss is 25,000 minus 24,000 is equal to what? 1,000. 10,000. 1,000. Okay. 1,000 is the, what is the loss? Okay. Loss is equal to loss minus profit. That is loss is 25,000 and profit 24,000. Therefore loss is equal to 1,000. That is the loss. 1,000 rupees loss. Question. What is the number of white cement bag it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags is 6,400. 6,400 grey bags are there and we have to find the loss of that bags. That is equal to the profit. That means we have to sell the white cement bag that sell to have neither profit nor loss. Equal. Profit and loss will become equal. This means profit is equal to loss. Both are same. Profit and loss are same. Okay. First number of white cement bag is X we can take. We don't know. We have to find the number of white cement bag. That we take it as X. Then profit we know. Profit of 1 bag is 8. Therefore, profit of X bags is 8 into X. Clear? Then, number of grey bags sold is 6,400 and the loss of that 6,400 bags is 5 into 6,400. Loss of 1 bag is 5. Therefore, loss of 6,400 is, multiply these two, will get 32,000. This is the loss of grey bags sold. Okay. Then both are same. Neither profit nor loss means both profit and loss are equal. Then we can equate. Profit is equal to loss. Profit is 8x. That is equal to loss is 32,000. Okay. Then x we have to find. That is 32,000 upon 8. 8 will move to the right side division. Then that is equal to 4,000. How many bags are? 4,000 white bags. Okay, 4,000 white bags need. It must sell 4,000 white bags to make the profit and the loss same. Okay, profit is the loss. You have to sell 6,400 is the number of grey bags and 4,000 is the number of white bags. Then the profit and the loss will become same. There is neither profit nor loss. And 1, replace the blank with an integers. Okay. Minus 3 into dash is equal 27. Okay, first you just take the answer, that is 27, positive 27. Positive 27 means there must be even number of negative integers. Okay, here 1 is negative and 3 into dash is equal 27. 3 into dash, 3 into 9 is 27. Okay, we can write the 9 first. Then check. Minus 3 into 9. Minus 3 into 9 means here how many negative integers are there? Only 1, that is odd number of negative integers. Therefore, our some product is equal to product is negative, but here the product is positive. Therefore, there must be even number of negative integers. This is negative, therefore this 9 is also negative. Minus 3 into minus 9, then we will get a positive 27. Now, 2 negative integers are there. That means even number of negative integers are there. Therefore, answer is 27. Okay. Next, 5 into dash is equal to 35 minus 35. First, you just leave the sign. Then 5 into dash is 35. 5 into 7. Okay. 5 into 7 is 35. Then answer is negative. Here the 5 is positive. Then which one is negative? This 7 must be negative. Then only answer is positive. One integer is negative. Therefore answer is negative 35. Okay. Then dash into minus 8 is equal to minus 56. Dash into 8 is equal to 56. 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Okay. Then check. Answer is negative. Therefore, odd number of negative integers are there. Already minus 8 is negative. Therefore, 7 is a positive. 7 into minus 8 is minus 56. Then, dash into minus 12 is 132. Dash into 12 is 132. Dash means 11 into 12 is 132. But 132 is positive. Like this. 132 is positive. Therefore, even number of negative integers must be there. Therefore, this minus 11 also negative. Minus 11 into minus 12 is equal to 132. Okay. The number of integers, negative integers are even. Then answer is positive. And the number of positive integers, negative integers is odd. Then answer is negative. Okay. Remember that thing.